Okay, I'm turning the camera on because Rusty's beginning the hot water tank. Like his finger measurements.
Yeah, I decided not to do that.
Not a safe way to do it. I think he has to go into the top of that thing somehow, so.
7-inch.
And there's our new water pump, and he's got a little bit of it. I think he said he's got part of it hooked up, but not the whole thing. So.
I hate cold pipe. It's alright when you're doing a house.
And you're using a lot of it.
But
so the
goodness,
10-foot sticks are easier to buy and use.
10-foot sticks are a whole lot more easier to work.
Yeah, see, here's that's what he's talking about. When you get like 100-foot, they come in coils. And our son has a construction business, so he gives us his extra pieces. He's been saving them for us because we just need little pieces, but they're coiled. And we ran out of white pipe. What is that called?
PEX pipe.
PEX pipe. We ran out of the white, so and I think we ran out of blue. So now he's just using red. So if you see red where you think blue should be, you're probably right. But it's because we're going to just go ahead and use what we've got. So, okay. I'll turn this back on when he's doing more exciting stuff. Right now, I think he's digging for different fittings. Okay, guys. We've been kind of hard at it all day, and I have not picked up the camera one time. So, there's our black trim that I was telling you we were going to be putting down there. And, of course, he had to cut it there for, again, that trap door that he's got. He's working on the trim now around that. We got the door up for the utility room, which turned out really, really cool. I think I'm in Rusty's way. I was just going to open it and let y'all kind of see how that looks now inside he's still got to put that cover on. And he worked on the hot water tank. I don't know if he's got it all done yet or not. And we were going to make a video about that, but Rusty jumped ahead of me, and I don't think he got that done before I got to... I don't even know when he did it, to be honest. He's been doing his thing, and I've been doing my thing, so I didn't even notice when he did it. But, yep, there's that. And then it's on self-closing hinges, so it doesn't slam shut, but it definitely shuts by itself. And that door is about, what did you say, Rusty, 5.5 foot? Not even 5.5 foot. Probably a little over 5 foot tall. But it's okay because it's not like a regular entry walk-through door. Like, here's our bathroom door. But we had to do that so we can get our mini split up there, mounted to that wall. That's gonna happen tomorrow. Our mini split, because he's gonna go and install our son's that he bought and pull the one that we bought from our son. That will go in this trailer. So, and then besides staining and sanding trim, which I'm really sick of doing, I also got that hung in our bathroom. And then we still got caulking to do, and I'm going to come back and touch up little places where the little nails went in. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want to waste the thing. He's loud over there. As you all know, the caulking, once you open it, it's use it or lose it, so I'm going to wait. But I bought this little mirror, little country looking mirror. It's not very big. I put this up. It has 2 hanging sides on it, so I did the screws up there with that. And then I have one of those stickies that actually came with the toilet paper roll. Whoops, my level's still sitting on it. that came with the toilet paper roll that I didn't use because I screwed it in instead of using the sticky tape. So I used that big patch of sticky tape on the bottom of this. So I'm hoping if it's not, I'm hoping if it's not vibrating around that it'll stay on the wall. If not, I'll have to figure something else out for that. Rusty finished all the trim in here today. We're just trying to get this in completely finished up so we can move on. My shower curtain rod, the round one, came in, but I've not got it hung because I'm probably going to let Rusty hang that. But I did get my shower curtain too. Let me see if I can pull this out. It's really cute. It just says bathhouse on it. Let me see if I can show. It's cute. I'll show it to you guys when we get it hung. I also put a couple of hooks so we can hang towels. There's, whoops, sorry about that, spinning around fast. Then I put another one right there. You kind of gotta, you know, there's just so many stud walls, and you really want to hang stuff on stud walls. So I'm kind of having to put stuff where I can put stuff in here. Okay. So now you're caught up. That's what we've gotten accomplished today. Today's Monday, right, Rusty? Yeah. So, oh, and we did hang up the fire extinguisher. I have my smoke detector, and I have a CO2, but we haven't, we're going to probably wait till we get all the rest of the beadboard up and kind of decide where we want to hang that at. So, okay. I'm going to turn this off. We're about done for today. It's about the end of the day now. So, I will probably maybe try to show. The next video is probably going to be on how to do the mini split. He's got to, what's that called, Rusty, when you, before you can disconnect the lines?
I'm going to pump it down.
Yeah, he's got to pump it down or something with the Freon. So I might do a whole separate video on that just in case anybody else gets a used one. So, okay, guys, so I will probably close this one here. I'm not sure what this may be the first one on this one. So if it is, I probably don't have really enough to post yet. But I just wanted to let you guys know we're still hanging in there. We're still working hard at it. And we are getting ready to move now. We'll do the AC tomorrow. I don't know if we'll get our AC in tomorrow, but we're going to get our son's in tomorrow and get ours disconnected tomorrow. And then Rusty said we're going to have a whole window cutting video because he said he's ready to start cutting windows. So we'll do a video on that too for anybody that needs help with windows. Okay, guys, I'm going to close it here, and I may or may not be back, but if I'm not back, we'll see you guys next time. Okay, before I close this out and get this one ready for YouTube, I thought I'd show you guys how this turned out. It looks really cool. You definitely can see each one of the steps going all the way up, and there's the trim. And I forgot to show you guys a while ago, we put these handles that you can't trip over them. They're right next to the wall, next to the door. But we put these handles. There's one on each side. That gives Rusty, and they lay down. You want to show them? Yeah, they lay down flat. But that gives Rusty something to grab so he can pull that trap door right there out when he needs to. So, because it was too hard. But the trim's not... Okay, I'm just going to kind of show you guys a little bit right there. See? The trim stays... I can't get it good, but the trim stays on that. So the trim's not screwed into this bottom board. It's just the trim is only attached to that. So now he can get into this cubby hole here fairly easy. And we have all that space. We'll be putting water hoses, and I think he said our Stinky Slinky's going to go in this long slot right here.
It ain't a Stinky Slinky. It's only gray water.
Yeah, it's only gray water, so it's not too stinky then. Gray water can be kind of smelly too sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
But anyway, and then he'll have room there for extension, the power cords and whatever he needs. And then we still have quite a bit of space left in this utility closet. So, but anyway, that's how it looks. That's how it works. He did an awesome job on all this. Yeah, we have quite a bit of, plus I'm going to be hanging some baskets up there that he can put tools and things into. So, and there's a lot of room on the other side of this wall inside there too. So we have quite a bit of space. I mean, that was our biggest concern, I think, with this. The way we had this one designed was where will we put everything. But anyway, I think we'll be able to find a place for it. And if we don't find a place for it, we probably really don't need it. So, Okay, and I'll let you guys watch him put this back in. See, he just puts that back down and slides it in where it needs to go.
Oops. That handle flipped down.
Uh-oh, his handle flipped on me. So, but see, he can grab it with the handles now and just kind of maneuver it where he wants it to go. It is a...
Got a burr there.
He's got a burr over there. He made this out of, what is that, 3/4 inch or 1 inch?
3/4.
3/4 inch plywood, so it's a little heavy for me, but he doesn't have a problem with it. I could probably get it if I had to. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and close this now. I think you guys finally have everything. And we'll see you guys next time, and I believe it will be air conditioning and heating. Bye-bye, guys.